Mindia, Mind of India.
Heritage trees are not just trees. They are an embodiment of our own aspiration to ensure that we are constantly aware we are living in a living planet. We are not living in a next to a dead wall. So these heritage trees remind us about the labors of people before us in ensuring our lives are rich. My name is Leo Saldana. I work with Environment Support Group, which is a not-for-profit addressing social and environmental justice concerns. If you go on the older roads, most of them are gone. Those roads had closed canopies because they had mangoes, tamarind, banyan, people. The kind of trees that they planted there was to create a canopy that anybody would, it might be 45 degrees outside of the tree line, but inside it is 35, maybe 30 even. You can sleep when you're tired. There was a sense of benevolence or a sense of compassion when you create these tree lines. And those were planted sometimes 200-300 years ago. Now what it did was, those trees aged over time. They became ecosystems by themselves. A banyan is a mini forest. It keeps helping many other birds and insects to come and perch and live on it, monkeys and so on. So you have a very diverse network of life that comes out there.
A tree is survived for 400 or 300 or 200 years. It has to be called heritage because it has a ecological, not only ecological value, it has its own beauty to interacting with the nature and the human being. My name is Vijay Nishant. I'm an urban conservationist, also presently working as a Bangalore Biodiversity Management Committee member. Also people very fondly call me as a tree doctor. When you take the tree and when we go to the labs for the tree observations and to check what is the tree and everything, they put up a planks actually saying it actually. In the planks there is a carbon sink, lines are there, and it tells you like which year how much rain it has come, or is it that the year the drought is there or not there. It indicates, a tree indicates actually. So that's why it's very important. It shows the importance of the tree. Heritage means how old it is, how important it is.
So these heritage trees remind us about the labors of people before us in ensuring our lives are rich. So you'll find heritage trees almost everywhere. About a decade ago, we worked with the Honorable High Court of Karnataka and the Forest Department and the Bangalore Municipality. Collectively with the PIL we had fronted, in which we created a concept of urban greening. And we created a concept in which you actually count each tree, tag its girth and height and so on, so that we understand the value of the tree. So tagging is a concept of documentation, so that if there is a tree that needs to be felled, we'll find out where it is and what it is worth and so on, and have a fixed value to it and so on, and perhaps draw some lessons from unnecessarily felling trees. By if you tag it, you will know which trees have been felled necessarily and which not. In an urban context, trees are what brings life to the city. But we are also now in a situation where there are so many competing claims to space and so many competing ideas to what needs to be a city, that some people, especially the engineering mindset, will think of trees as an impediment to mobility. But trees are actually the best chance we have in increasing the appropriate mobility. Cycling and walking particularly will increase if there are trees, because they bring shade and it makes it more comfortable to cycle and walk even in the harsh sun. At the same time, trees need us. Because of the competing claims, there are people who want this removed and they want to have a sanitized, simplified environment because they can afford to have their own good life elsewhere. But most of us need trees to have the good life that everyone deserves. And that can come from protecting trees. So trees need us as much as we need trees. That's the only way forward.
Mindia, Mind of India.